Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and today I'm at Alligator National Wildlife Refuge, and I'm out here trying to photograph some fall callers. So come along and enjoy this adventure. I think as a wildlife photographer, you have to catch the feel of the area that you're in here. We're in the southern part of the United States, and the southern part of the United States, to me, for fall, is defined by the bald cypress. So in the fall in North Carolina, in the deep south of the United States, bald cypresses shed their needles. So unlike other evergreen trees that keep their needles all year long, they shed them, so they turn this beautiful, gorgeous color here. And I'm at this lake here because the bald cypresses are reflecting in the lake itself. It's creating this incredible image here. And the reason why I'm here today is because there's no wind, so the lake is smooth as glass. So that's basically the image. I'm shooting at ISO 200 f10, and it's giving me a shutter speed of about 125 a second using a 2-second timer. If this image is any good, here it is. Great tip I think that everybody should use is using the magnifying glass on the back of your camera. So what I do is I have my camera in live view, and I hit that magnifying glass, and it will zoom in on where you have your focus point in. And what you're doing is then you can use your focus ring on your lens to micro focus or get that focus exactly how you want it. This is a great tool to see if you're taking landscapes and you want to make sure that everything that you want in focus is in focus. It's a great way to ensure that you're in focus, because I don't think there's anything worse than going out, taking an image, and then you get back home, put it up on the computer, and you realize that what you wanted to be in focus is out of focus. Doing something. Well, this is one of my artsy-fartsy images. I have a piece of grass standing up here. It's just about on the verge to drop all of its seeds here. It's still got a little bit of green in it and gray. I am shooting it in portrait mode here. It's a quick shot here because I got a little bit of breeze coming through here, moving the grass here. I am shooting basically with the same settings I shot before, other than the fact that I'm not shooting with a 2-second timer. I'm basically just getting down low. The reason why I'm getting down low is because the sun's behind you and it's beaming right on there. If I stand up, my shadow comes across the image. So I'm just getting on there, holding my back button, focus, taking the pictures. If this image is any good, here it is. Good bear. Good bear. Good bear. I just had a bear walk right over here. That's one thing about Alligator River. There are lots of bears here in Alligator River, and we're here in the fall time. The bears are gorging themselves for hibernation here. But the image I'm trying to take a picture of here is of this flower here that's right here. It's not actually a flower. It's the seed buds, you know, they're kind of going to float away here in a little bit. And they're just sitting here on top of the plant, just maturing to the point where they'll float away. I'm trying to get the image here. The leaves are these kind of light green, almost like an olive green color here. The image is really kind of artsy-fartsy. One of the issues I have here though is that the wind is blowing my subject all over the place. So whenever the wind stops, I take a picture of it. But I'm thinking that this might be something that I'll shoot in black and white, or edit into black and white or something like that. I'm really feeling this really artsy-fartsy kind of feel today. But this is the image I think is going to be something that's, I might put this in a photo contest. This is the kind of thing that if you go into a really artsy-fartsy photo contest that's really into the abstract, this might be a really good image to put in there. So if this image is any good, here it is. Seeing that bear was so exciting. I can't tell you how excited it is that I see the bear. It was not really a good opportunity to photograph him, and we were in really close quarters. That bear was probably less than 13 to 15 feet away from me. That's really too close to be in contact with a bear. That's one of those situations that you could accidentally have a situation where you would have a contact with a bear, and that would be really, really bad. But they are beautiful animals and they're incredibly graceful, and I just love seeing bears, and I had a great time out here. I'm hoping you got something out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.